In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the MACD indicator on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add it to your chart and read its key signals with confidence. Start by opening TradingView in your browser and pulling up any chart you want to analyze. You can use any market and any time frame, from minute-by-minute views to daily and weekly charts. The MACD works across all of them, but remember that shorter time frames generate more frequent signals, while higher time frames tend to be more reliable. Once your chart is open, look for the Indicators button near the top of the screen. This is where TradingView keeps all its built-in tools. Click it to open the search panel. In the search bar, type MACD. You'll see a list of results. Choose the one labeled Moving Average Convergence Divergence under the built-in indicators. A single click will add it to your chart. You'll now see the MACD pane appear below your price chart. By default, it includes three components: the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram. The MACD line measures the difference between two moving averages, the signal line is a smooth version of that, and the histogram visualizes the distance between the two lines. Most platforms use standard default settings, which are commonly 12, 26, and 9, and those are perfectly fine when you're getting started. Here's how to read what you're seeing. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it suggests bullish momentum is strengthening. When it crosses below, bearish momentum may be taking over. The histogram makes this easier to spot. Taller bars indicate stronger momentum, and the bars flipping from negative to positive or vice versa can warn you that a shift is underway. The zero line is a helpful reference. Readings above zero generally align with upward momentum. Readings below 0 point to downward momentum. A practical tip: use MACD as confirmation rather than a standalone trigger. For example, if price breaks a key level and the MACD crosses up with a rising histogram, that alignment adds confidence. If price rallies while the MACD makes lower highs, that divergence can be an early caution that momentum is fading. To recap, open TradingView, click Indicators, search for MACD, select Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and read the MACD line, signal line, and histogram to gauge momentum and potential shifts. This is for educational purposes only, and it's wise to combine MACD with sound risk management and your broader strategy.